Guys, do you hate how bright your screen is when you're trying to chill and watch videos on Dailymotion? Well, today, I'm gonna show you how to dim the lights in just 10 seconds. I'm not kidding. This is a total game changer. First things first, if you don't have the Turn Off the Lights extension installed, what are you doing? Go to the Chrome Web Store, search Turn Off the Lights, and hit that Add to Chrome button. Seriously, go grab it. Open up Dailymotion. Now watch this. Click the little lamp icon in your browser. Lights out. You're in full cinema mode. Everything else fades away. You plus the video equal to peace. Want to go further? You can customize everything. Blur effect, fade animation, background color, even pink if you're feeling fancy. And that's it. No more eye strain, no more annoying glare, just pure, cozy vibes. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more cool tips and tricks. I'll see you next time with another great tip. Bye.